OriMajor.com is marketed as an online shopping store offering a variety of products at discounted prices. The website features attractive product photos and limited-time deals. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online retailers legitimately sell products at competitive prices, and discount alone don't necessarily mean a store is unreliable. What it does well: wide product selection. The store offers products across multiple categories, giving shoppers plenty of options. Competitive pricing. Frequent sales and promotions can make many items appear to be good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The items you receive may not always match the photos or descriptions shown online. Shipping times can be longer than expected. Depending on where products are shipped from, delivery may take more time than anticipated. Return policies deserve attention. Before ordering, review the refund process, return conditions, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from OriMajor.com? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you find a product you like and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounted prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.